we will say action, notification, int, this is my observer, and here we set notification into what we're going to do with it. If end.type equals next, cool, well we'll just print it end.value, else cw, done. So observable 2 dot range 0, 10. That's our observable into which we're going to pass our observer. And then any key to exit blah. Console. Let's go. Done. Okay. Too much? Should we go over that again? No? You with me?
So instead of pulling values,
we're pushing values. Yes. So all we really had to do was go from this notation which is saying, get me something from which I can get stuff, to push something in which can receive things. So really it's gone from a pull, as you say, totally to a push. So when somebody calls range, they're going to get an observable back. The thing you do to an observable is you push in an observer. And once you push in an observer, you're right here. And at this point, he doesn't have a choice. You're giving him values right now. So exactly, so we've gone from pull to push. And just to round that out, the first thing we did with our enumerable 2 was to decide that this is frankly ugly. Ugly, whatever term you want to use. So let's define for each again. And it's going to be for each over source. Oops. We'll take a picture while there's those with like red squigglies on the screen. Let's do that. So we're going to say source, observer, but in this case, all we're going to do is run our, oops, I forgot to add it, action over T on next. So this is what we're going to do when we have a value. What did I do wrong? It still hangs me. Where did it come to?
In the observer definition, notification int.
Oh yes, thank you. Right, so now we can get rid of this stuff and say for each, and then console right line, and we're done. And you need to exit. Obviously printing done to screen is a little silly, so let's not do that. And it would probably also be nice to sort of round this out with where and select. Again, I won't bore you with that, we'll just grab it and then we'll do it. I do have a keys here, but I think you can probably see already the pattern. So we take the observer, whilst you haven't hit escape, we're going to push the key jar at you. If you did hit escape, we're done. Blah blah blah. Where do you go? Oh, I'm surprised. I didn't prepare where or something. But you can guess how they would look, right? We would do the same trick. So coming back to what we are actually going to do.